So what's inside the Mackie 808 powered mixer board? I unscrewed the screws on the front. And the reason I'm doing is I have the switch on right now, the power switch. I'm getting no power to it, so I want to see if there's a fuse. All right, under the first look, well, look at that. There's your digital board for your effects. So that's your effects board. Everything looks plugged in. There's your ground. But nothing looks burnt. The board looks clean. There's a metal plate here. That metal plate is just a heat shield to keep you from, you know, these wires are tight. I'm surprised. I could unplug them and then take the board out. There's the wires on the side. You could unplug that little loom. I don't have room to put up top, but this is a plate. It's a heat shield. That's all that is, to keep you from the power amp back there. But I want to see if there's fuses back there. I got to get back there. So we're going to take a peek back there in a minute. So, but that's what's behind your front cover. And like I said, so far it looks clean. You got to see what's going on. And right now, even though I don't recommend it, this is actually powered up. See the plug lit up on the floor? It's powered up and the switch is on. I got nothing going on, so we got to find out what's going on.